Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Kayak. So let me take you to the website, which is kayak.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Kayak is a popular travel search engine that helps users find flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages. It aggregates information for various travel sites and allows users to compare prices and options easily. You can also set up price alerts, explore travel guides, and access other useful travel related features on the website. So, if you really want to go into a vacation, want to book traveling packages or hotel or stay, then you can come to this website, explore all these amazing options, and book yourself a treat or vacation. Totally up to you. But that's not exactly why we're here. We are here to earn money from Kayak. How can we do that? Simply by joining the affiliate program of Kayak. Is it worth it? Well, look at the number and see how famous they are. So on monthly basis, they get over 43 million users on their website, or rather visits. It's a great feat, isn't it? And then in category of travel and tourism, they stand at number two. So they're pretty much famous out there. You simply have to promote them, and when you bring users to them, and when these users do some actions, and you'll get commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Kayak? As such, there's no restriction. So it doesn't matter from wherever you are, from whatever country you are from, you can apply to be a part of Kayak affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them? Wherever Kayak is accessible, the website accessible, you can promote Kayak to the consumers of that country. Now let's talk more about their affiliate program. For that, on the homepage, you can scroll down to the footer section and click on affiliates. This will take you to affiliate information page of Kayak. Over here, you can see all the details. If you scroll down, you can see how do you make money. You integrate. So once you have an account with Kayak, that's an affiliate account, you can begin to integrate their products on your platform. And when you bring people to them and on actions, you can get commission. How much can you earn? You can earn up to 50% commission on clicks, bookings, and ad revenue across each vertical, including flights, hotels, cars, and all of the packages. That's amazing, isn't it? And then if you scroll down, you'll see more details. So here they got 6 billion plus annual travel searches. They have paid 76 million total to affiliates so far, and then 2 million properties worldwide, 15,000 plus affiliates partners. Amazing, isn't it? Now, if you scroll down, you can even see more, such as you might have some questions like how do you earn commission. So to clarify, let's say if you're promoting Kayak on your website, and if your audience bring or your audience click on the advertisements of Kayak and comes to the website and search for any property, flight, or rental, when they click on that property and goes to the actual merchant site, so based on the action, you could get commission. So if it's a click, it's a revenue generation, whatever it is, so long as that audience, that user of yours, click through the link, came to Kayak website, search for something, and click on the link, and then you could get commission. But you have to ensure that you show integrity here, because you cannot create or rather click yourself, because Kayak has a way to know if it's coming from specific users. So you have to be super careful. You only have your end users, or rather your audience, click on those advertisements. You simply have to promote them through the normal ways on your website. If you click on detailed FAQ guide, it will take you to help center, I would say, and any other questions that you might have, you can explore this help center and you can get the answer off. Now, how do you join the affiliate program of Kayak? You can click on apply now button, which will take you to this page. This is the registration form. You can fill the details. Now, all the information I'm going to write here, that's going to be dummy for educational purpose, but in your case, ensure you write accurate information, because the Kayak affiliate team will see whether you are a good fit for them or not, and based on the information you have given and how suited you are for them, they could give you the approval. So I'm gonna enter the email address. Let me show you something. What if I add the email address as gmail.com? Observe what happens. See, it doesn't accept, because you should have a company email address to sign up. That could be a company email address, or that could be a website email address too. Let's say if I got a website like this, so a4trtte.com, let's assume this is a website. See, it worked for me. So let's say if you got a travel related website, or if you got a company, you should have the website related email address, or website based email address, or rather the company based email address, and you should be using that in here. Then you have to decide a password as well. You can decide, and then you can read through Kayak affiliate network agreement and term of use. Tick mark this. Then I will like to receive it. If you want to receive helpful tips and all that, you can tick mark this as well and click on continue. When you do that, it will take you further. Over here, you can mention your company name. But what if you don't have a company? You might be owner of a website or a blog. In that case, you can just mention the name of your website or blog. So I'm going to write this. Let's assume this is my website. Country of registration, you can choose. I'm going to go with India. Just have to scroll down to the country you found. Of course, the country of registration, and click on continue. Over here, you give more information. Your first name, I'm just going to write John. Then you can give your last name, and then title. So I can write here professional, whatever your title is. Let's say if you're a web developer or if you're a website owner, you can give the title in here. Then you got two questions here. Is a government agency, government official, or relative of a government official involved in the ownership, control, or management of the company? If yes, go with yes, otherwise go with no. Are you a signatory or owner of the company? So if you are entering the details of a website, then go with yes, and assuming you're the signatory or the owner of the website. Same goes for the company. So whatever is the right answer for you, go for that, and then click on continue. I'm gonna go with no for now. Would you like to add the signatory or owner of the company now? See, this is what they will ask, and if you select yes, and then it will give you further details. But if you go with yes here, it won't ask that question. So click on continue. Then you have to enter more details. What is your website URL? And here you can give your website URL. Again, the information I'm writing here, these are dummy. In your case, ensure you write the accurate details. What are the main sources of traffic for the site? So you can choose the sources. Let's say I'm getting traffic from content pages, SEO, social media, email marketing, others. So whatever sources are suited for you and have been bringing traffic to you, you can select that. Then what is the average monthly number of visitors on your website? You can choose from here. Let's say I'm getting between 0 to 50K. How much revenue per month are you expecting to make as an affiliate? You can choose that as well. Let's say I'm expecting this much. In your case, you can choose that too. What description fits your business website best? So you can choose from here. Let's say I got none from here, so I can go with this. But what if you got a travel blog? You can click here, or travel guide. You can click here. So let's say I got others, so I can go with that. And then you can click on next, continue, and you will see all the information you have entered. You can review it once, and if you want to update, go to back and click on back, go to the previous pages, update it. Otherwise, click on submit. When you do that, it will process your details and you will get this message. You see, thank you for your interest and submitting your application to become part of Kayak Affiliate Network. We are currently only accepting new affiliates on a case-by-case basis. You see, so they will review whether you're good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will approve you or they may reject you. We will do our best to review your application as soon as we can, and we'll reach out if it is successful. But please understand that due to increased demand and activity, it may take them longer to get back to you than they would normally expect. So how much time can you give to them? Usually brands take up to a couple of weeks time to review the application and take action, but you may give them, I guess, up to a month time. That should be enough. And if you would be good for them, they will send you an email, and this is how you would know you have been approved. In any case, you can bookmark this URL, and let's say if you got the approval, you can come to this URL and you can click on sign in and get into your affiliate account with Kayak. So let's say you got the approval from them, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But how do you promote them? You can't just take any link from their website and to promote them. You have to use your tracking links. And how do you get your tracking link? We talked about the help center before, isn't it? So if you go to the help center, this is the URL, help.affiliates.kayak.com. You can click here, products and integration. which will take you to this page. Over here, these are all the URLs which will help you to understand how to get or create your tracking link. You can click on this one, the first one, how do I use the deep link generator? And it has all the instructions that you need to create your tracking link once you get the access to Kayak affiliate dashboard. Then the question is, okay, you know how to create tracking links, then how do you promote Kayak? That's another question, isn't it? So it will the many ways, still I'm going to cover a few. One way is you could promote them on website. Now whatever website you got, so long as you got the approval for that, you can promote them on your website. Maybe you could integrate the widgets on your website, search widget, or maybe you can create a standalone section, totally up to you. Blog, you could write blog posts about different destination, different packages available on Kayak, and put your tracking links or with the blog post. That could work great as well. Third way, which I think would be more suited, is a travel website. Let's say you got a travel website, you got the approval for that. You could maybe create an entire section just for the destination available on Kayak, and start promoting Kayak this way. And this could bring more sales to them and more actions to them, and hence will result into your own commission. Now you started bringing sales to Kayak, or towards the revenue generation towards Kayak. How would you see your performance? That's another question. Again, let me take you to the help center, and over here you can click on dashboard and performance, which will take you to the section. Let me take you here. So dashboard and performance, and these are the reports. So you can run all these reports and see how well you're performing. But what about the payment for it? So all the valid actions that's going to happen, based on that, you'll get commission from Kayak. So what are the payment methods? You can click on commission and payment, which will take you to this, and you can click here, what are the payment options, and it will take you here. And as you can see, currently they are paying commission to the affiliates via bank transfer and or PayPal. So you could select any of these. If you go with bank transfer, the minimum threshold value is $500, and if you go with PayPal, minimum is $100. So you would only be able to take out the commission if you have exceeded that amount. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Kayak. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful to you and will help you in getting the approval from Kayak and start promoting them. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.